Hi guys, Rachel here with WTI. If you're looking for really good quality cinnamon, I would look into Ceylon Cinnamon. It's by a company called Ceylon Flavors, and it is Ceylon cinnamon powder. This is a cinnamon powder that is such good quality. It really smells nice. It's not spicy. This type of cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, it's actually sweet. So you'll notice here, it's like a lighter color too, and the powder is very fine as well. And I like that the bag just seals up really easily. It's an organic, it's USDA certified organic, so it's great quality. And if you have a recipe where cinnamon is the star of the recipe, like my cinnamon dolce syrup for coffee, I would highly recommend getting a good quality cinnamon. This completely changed the taste of my recipe. It's so good. All they do is put half a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, vanilla, some like a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I let it boil down and I just put a little spoon in my coffee and it's so good. I can make a cinnamon dolce latte. I love it. And I attribute the delicious taste to the excellent quality cinnamon that I have. It's really good. So this is such a great product. I love the flavor of this cinnamon. It is a lot more mild and a lot more sweet than a typical cinnamon that I'm used to. So I highly recommend it. I think you'll like it too, but that's just my point of view.